Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to recover your hacked Facebook account without email and password. Now there are two different ways you can do it. First way is through your own account and second way is through your friend's account or through your family account. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to click the link down in the description or just follow this link right here. And as you can see here, it says my Facebook account was compromised and my username was changed. How can I change it back? Now here you have a couple of steps, right? You can reset your password if you still have access to your account. And if not, if you're not able to access your account at all, then you can click here, follow our guided process to secure your account. Now once you click on it, you will be brought to this screen right here. And here what you want to say is someone else got into my account without my permission. And you will need to continue and you will need to follow these steps in order to recover your account. Now keep in mind you will have to put your old password or maybe your new password in some instances, but usually it's your old password. So you will need to give data to Facebook just so they can see that this is your account, right? Now, the second thing that you can do is you can actually go to Facebook to, let's say, your friend's Facebook or maybe, your family's Facebook, right? And you can go here and you can go to help and support and you can report a problem, right? And you can say something went wrong here. And here you can choose an area, right? And for this, you can say other and then details. In the details, you can describe that since you're posting this from your friend's account, you will describe that this is your friend's account and that your friend's account has been hacked. And he doesn't know his email or password, but he does have some data about his Facebook account. So, and you can also add a screenshot or a video, which is really recommended. And once you submit this, after 24 hours, you should get a ticket support that will reply to your ticket right here, and you will be able to see this by going here and then help and support and then support inbox, right? Here you will be able to see all your reports and everything. And if your friend is doing this for you, then make sure he's checking this. And yeah, this is how you can pretty much recover hacked account. Now the second way of recovering your account is again going through your friend's account and going to Meta for Business. And once you reach Meta for Business, you'll be able to send them a message, right? So as you can see, I already sent them a message right here. What you need to do is you need to click Get Started and then you need to click on Resolve an Issue and you can say account hacked, not disabled. I put disabled, but you can say account hacked and then you can say personal account and you can say no. For each of their questions, just say no, no, and then they will pretty much tell you this. It looks like you need some help from the support team, John. Type your issue below to file a report with our customer service team and they'll reach out if they can help. If you don't need a file, a report with our customer service team, you can choose to return to the chatbot instead. And here you will be able to chat with a support team. So these are three different ways how you can recover hacked Facebook account without email and password. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll be able to help some of you as well. So thank you guys for watching.